Struggling with stubborn skin issues or a weak immune system? Discover how a simple spoonful of this ancient golden remedy could transform your health, starting today. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with a special focus on Manuka honey. This isn't your ordinary honey. It's produced in New Zealand by bees that pollinate the native Manuka tree, and it's known for its incredible health benefits. What makes Manuka honey so special? It all comes down to its unique antibacterial properties, largely attributed to a compound called methyl glyoxal or MgO. But that's not all. Manuka honey offers a wide range of advantages for your well-being. In this video, we'll be uncovering 5 amazing benefits of Manuka honey that you need to know. From wound healing to boosting your immune system, get ready to be amazed by the power of this golden nectar. Manuka honey is not just a sweet treat. It's a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into your daily routine in various ways. For instance, if you have a sore throat, a spoonful of Manuka honey can provide soothing relief. It's also fantastic for your skin. You can use it as a natural face mask to help clear up acne and give your skin a healthy glow. Additionally, Manuka honey can aid in digestion. Adding a bit to your yogurt or tea can help soothe your stomach and improve gut health. One of the most remarkable benefits is its ability to heal wounds. Its antibacterial properties make it an excellent natural remedy for cuts and burns. And let's not forget its immune-boosting capabilities. During cold and flu season, a daily dose of Manuka honey can help keep those nasty bugs at bay. Some people even find that it helps with seasonal allergies. Mixing it into a smoothie or simply taking a spoonful can make a big difference. And if you're looking for a natural energy boost, Manuka honey is a great option. Add it to your breakfast for a sustained energy release throughout the day. So, whether you're using it for its health benefits or simply enjoying its rich, unique flavor, Manuka honey is a wonderful addition to your pantry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. See you in the next video. Manuka honey has been used for centuries as a natural wound healer. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized the healing properties of honey and used it to treat various ailments. They believed in its magical ability to heal wounds and prevent infections, a belief that has stood the test of time. And modern science backs up this traditional use. Researchers have conducted numerous studies to understand the mechanisms behind Manuka honey's effectiveness. They have discovered that it contains unique compounds that make it particularly potent. Its potent antibacterial properties, thanks to MgO, help to inhibit the growth of bacteria in wounds. MgO, or methyl glyoxal, is a compound found in high concentrations in Manuka honey. This compound is responsible for its strong antibacterial activity, which can combat a wide range of bacteria, including those that are resistant to conventional antibiotics. This not only speeds up the healing process but also reduces the risk of infection. By creating a barrier against bacteria, Manuka honey ensures that wounds remain clean and free from harmful pathogens. This is crucial in preventing complications and promoting faster recovery. Manuka honey creates a moist environment that promotes healing and reduces scarring. A moist wound environment is essential for optimal healing as it encourages the growth of new tissue and prevents the wound from drying out and forming a scab. This can lead to less scarring and a smoother healing process. It's even effective against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, making it a valuable tool in the fight against superbugs. With the rise of antibiotic-resistant infections, finding alternative treatments has become more important than ever. Manuka honey offers a natural solution that can be used alongside traditional treatments to enhance their effectiveness. Studies have shown that Manuka honey can be particularly helpful in treating burns, ulcers, and diabetic foot ulcers. These types of wounds are often difficult to treat and can lead to serious complications if not managed properly. Manuka honey's unique properties make it an excellent option for these challenging cases. So next time you have a minor cut or scrape, consider reaching for some Manuka honey. It's a simple and natural remedy that can be easily incorporated into your first aid kit. Just apply a small amount to the affected area and cover it with a bandage for best results. Its soothing and healing properties might just surprise you. Not only does it help with wound healing, but it also provides relief from pain and discomfort. The next time you find yourself with a minor injury, give Manuka honey a try and experience its remarkable benefits for yourself. Let's talk about those antibacterial properties in more detail. As mentioned, Manuka honey contains methyl glyoxal or MgO, a compound that gives it its exceptional antibacterial power. MgO works by disrupting the cell walls of bacteria, effectively killing them. What's remarkable is that Manuka honey is effective against a wide range of bacteria. This includes strains that are resistant to conventional antibiotics, making it a potential alternative in some cases. Researchers are continually exploring the potential of Manuka honey in fighting antibiotic resistance. It's important to note that not all Manuka honey is created equal. The strength of its antibacterial activity is measured by its unique Manuka factor, or UMF rating. Look for a UMF rating of 10+ for potent antibacterial benefits. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and Manuka honey can play a role in supporting your digestive system. It acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial bacteria in the gut. This helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion. Manuka honey's antibacterial properties can also help to keep harmful bacteria in check. This can be particularly beneficial for people experiencing digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements. Some studies suggest that Manuka honey may help to alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. If you're looking for a natural way to support your gut health, consider adding a spoonful of Manuka honey to your daily routine. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can be detrimental to health. Manuka honey possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This is due to its high antioxidant content, which helps to neutralize free radicals that contribute to inflammation. Manuka honey can be applied topically to soothe irritated skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. When consumed, it may help to reduce inflammation in the body associated with conditions like arthritis. More research is needed, but the potential of Manuka honey in managing inflammation is promising. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. Manuka honey can give your immune system a helping hand. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties help to ward off infections. The antioxidants in Manuka honey protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This helps to keep your immune system functioning optimally. Regular consumption of Manuka honey may reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. It's a delicious and natural way to support your body's natural defenses. As we've explored, Manuka honey is a true gift from nature, a treasure trove of health benefits that has been cherished for centuries. Originating from the pristine landscapes of New Zealand, this unique honey is produced by bees that pollinate the native Manuka bush. The result is a honey that is not only delicious but also packed with powerful medicinal properties, offering a wealth of health benefits. Manuka honey is renowned for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile addition to your health regimen. Whether you're looking to soothe a sore throat, improve digestion, or enhance your skin health, Manuka honey can be a natural remedy. From its remarkable wound-healing properties, which have been supported by numerous scientific studies, to its ability to fight off infections, Manuka honey is a must-have in your first aid kit. Its high concentration of methyl glyoxal, MgO, is what sets it apart from regular honey, giving it its potent antibacterial effects. To its ability to boost your immune system, Manuka honey is a powerhouse of nutrients. Regular consumption can help strengthen your body's natural defenses, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. It's a simple yet effective way to support your overall health. This golden nectar has something to offer everyone. From children to the elderly, Manuka honey can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It can be incorporated into your daily diet in various ways, such as adding it to your tea, spreading it on toast, or even using it as a natural sweetener in your recipes. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your well-being, Manuka honey is an excellent choice. Its benefits extend beyond just physical health. It can also contribute to your mental well-being. The act of consuming something natural and beneficial can be a form of self-care, promoting a sense of peace and satisfaction. I encourage you to give Manuka honey a try. Start by incorporating it into your morning routine, perhaps by adding a spoonful to your tea or yogurt. You'll soon notice the difference it makes in your energy levels and overall health. Remember to look for the UMF rating, which stands for Unique Manuka Factor. This rating system ensures that the honey you're purchasing is genuine and of high quality. The higher the UMF rating, the more potent the honey's antibacterial properties. To ensure you're getting the potency you need, it's important to choose a product that meets your specific health needs. For instance, a higher UMF rating may be more suitable for treating wounds, while a lower rating can be used for general health maintenance. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the amazing world of Manuka honey. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Manuka honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's a natural remedy that can enhance your life in many ways. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that can make a difference in people's lives. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with Manuka honey. We love hearing from our community. Share it with your friends, so they too can discover the benefits of this incredible natural product. Sharing knowledge is a powerful way to help others improve their health and well-being. And subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature. We have many more exciting topics to cover, so make sure you don't miss out. Stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature. Embrace the natural remedies that the earth provides, and you'll find a path to a healthier, happier life.